Welcome to Daily Insights. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today, I want to talk to you about a journey, your journey. Whether we realize it or not, each of us is on a journey. It is a journey about finding our purpose, and it is a journey that is guided by three critical signposts: urgency, accountability, and responsibility. First, let us consider urgency. Urgency is the heartbeat of time, reminding us that each moment is a precious gift. But why does urgency matter? It matters because it propels us forward. Urgency is the force that pushes us to act, to make decisions and change. Urgency is not about rushing through life. It is about recognizing the importance of each day in discovering and fulfilling our purpose. Without urgency, our dreams and aspirations risk becoming distant memories, untouched and unrealized. Now, let us delve into accountability. Accountability is our moral compass. It is about understanding our actions and how they shape our destiny. When we're accountable, we align our actions with our values, and this alignment is crucial in finding our purpose. It is about being true to ourselves and those around us. When we embrace accountability, we create a life that is not just lived, but meaningful. And then there's responsibility. Responsibility is the bridge between our inner world and the outside world. It is our commitment to ourselves, our families, our friends, and others. When we act responsibly, we contribute to the world in a way that reflects our inner values and beliefs. And this act of contribution is a crucial aspect of finding our purpose. Through responsibility, we discover what we stand for and how we can make a tangible impact in the world. These three elements, urgency, accountability, and responsibility, are interconnected in the quest for purpose. Urgency wakes us up to the present moment. Accountability keeps us accurate to our path, and responsibility extends our purpose beyond ourselves, connecting us with a larger tapestry of life. In conclusion, finding our purpose is not a passive act. It is an active pursuit fueled by the urgency of time, guided by the compass of accountability, and manifested through our responsible actions. As we navigate through life, let these principles light our way, helping us not just to exist, but to live a life of meaning and purpose. Until the next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.